Hey, this is Coach Willie, the holistic trainer, and this is a technique for myofascial release of your QL muscle. This is a muscle that runs along your back, off to the side, in between your hips and your ribs. To perform this technique, we're going to be using one of two tools, a foam roller and a massage ball. To perform this technique, we'll start with the foam roller, which is going to be on the floor. I'm going to be lying on the foam roller with my chest up, and I want to place the roller along my lower back off to one side. You'll notice that I'm not directly in the center. I want to be leaning over to one side. Again, that muscle is in between our hip bone and our lower ribs. So I should have the roller or the massage tool right into that soft tissue area. To begin this exercise, you're going to be moving up and down just a little bit here, and then also side to side. What you're looking for is an area of tension or a knotted muscle, an area where when you put pressure into it, you notice discomfort. As you're moving back and forth and up and down, you're going to start to centralize that area of tension. When you find that spot where you notice the most amount of discomfort, stop on that spot specifically and take 5 to 10 slow breaths. Then continue moving up and down and side to side, looking for any other areas of high tension. After doing one side, do the same technique on the other side. Stopping if you notice you have an area of high tension or discomfort. One more thing you'll notice is I'm using my elbow for support. I'm placing weight into this elbow and I'm using my legs to take some of the weight off the roller. In the beginning, it might be very uncomfortable, so use your other points of contact to lessen the pressure on the roller, and over time, you can put less weight into your elbow, less weight into your legs, and more weight into the roller. In the beginning, the foam roller will likely provide all the benefit you need, but you may notice that over time, it's not giving you the same level of release. At this point, we will want to use a more targeting tool like a massage ball. The technique remains very similar. With the ball on the floor, I'm going to slowly lean into the ball, finding that spot in my lower back, in between my hips and my ribs. I'm going to move side to side and also up and down, looking for that area where I notice the most tension. When I find that spot, hold it there specifically and take 5 to 10 slow breaths. And again, perform the same technique on the opposite side. When doing this technique, set a timer and do one side for 2 to 5 minutes, set another timer for 2 to 5 minutes, and do the opposite side. And what you want to notice is if one side has more tension than the other. If you notice there is a substantial difference between the two sides, spend more time massaging the side that you have more discomfort in. And this is how you do myofascial release for the QL muscle.